Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's sure to make your winter days much easier, the 5000W Thermal Snowblower. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what exactly this thermal snowblower is. This portable device is designed not just for snow removal but also for dust cleaning and drying. With its sleek black design and impressive features, it's more than just a seasonal tool, it's a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal. One of the standout features of the thermal snowblower is its high-speed brushless motor. Operating at an astonishing 130,000 revolutions per minute, this motor powers 13 precision fan blades, generating hurricane-level airflow. This means clearing snow, frost, or leaves can be accomplished in mere seconds. Whether you need to clear your driveway, car roof, or sidewalks, this blower is up to the task, making winter maintenance a breeze. Another highlight is the 3-speed adjustable control. This feature allows you to customize the blower's performance based on your needs. You can opt for a gentle airflow setting, which is perfect for delicate tasks like dusting keyboards or car interiors. When faced with thick snow buildup, simply switch to maximum power, and you're ready to tackle the toughest winter conditions. Battery life is always a concern with portable devices, but the thermal snowblower excels in this area as well. You can enjoy up to 70 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. Its high-capacity battery is designed to perform reliably even in freezing temperatures, and it recharges quickly via USB-C, ensuring you're back in action in no time. One of the most appealing aspects of this blower is its whisper-quiet operation. Thanks to advanced turbine technology, it operates quietly, meaning you won't disturb your neighbors while cleaning up outdoors. Plus, its cordless design, lightweight build, and ergonomic shape ensure that handling it is comfortable and easy, allowing for full mobility as you work. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner dealing with winter snow, or if you simply want a reliable tool for dusting and cleaning around the house, the thermal snowblower is perfect for you. It's also great for car enthusiasts who want to maintain the interior and exterior of their vehicles without fuss. Practical use cases are endless. Use it to clear your driveway after a snowstorm, blow off leaves from your patio, or dry out your vehicle's interior after a rainy day. You can even use it to keep your computer and office equipment dust-free. It truly is an all-in-one solution for your winter and household cleaning needs. In conclusion, the 5000W Thermal Snowblower is a powerful, efficient, and versatile tool that can make winter chores easier and help maintain a clean home year-round. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.